feels like the longest travel day in the world. We finally made it. We're in Turkey and it's good to be back. Feels like the longest travel day of my life. We finally made it to Turkey. It's 40 degrees and it's good to be back. As you can probably tell by my face, we've just got to the hotel now. I had to climb a couple of flights of stairs with the bags. Well, I never jacked it, to be fair. But I'll just give you a room tour now because we always forget, and then by the time I do it, the room's a mess. So you come in, there's the bathroom, got the shower, and then 2 single beds, but we'll push them together. Nice big mirror. Quite basic, but it's all you need, isn't it? And then we've got this.
Sound balcony.
This balcony.
Sound, yes.
Yeah.
Nice little view of the mountain there.
Yeah. Lovely. Just realised I've got 2 pairs of glasses on my head as well. But the plan now is get my swimming costume on and get in the pool because it's, I can't even tell you how hot it is. You know, it's just like sticky.
I can tell you what it is. 35 degrees.
35 degrees. But it was like 38 when we landed, or 37 when we landed. So, oh my god, is that chickens?
Look at all those chickens.
Oh my god, it is. Plan is to chill because we're all knackered. And I want a cold cocktail, sitting by the pool. Good morning, it's now the next day. The plan today is to go and get a Turkish bath. So I'm going to try and vlog it on my GoPro. See what they say. They might not let me take it in, but I'll ask them. And then might go to the beach. Because as much as I love sitting by a pool, I feel like I want to explore. Do you know what I mean? So that is the plan. I've just been in the pool all morning. I think it's about 11 o'clock now. I haven't even had nothing to eat yet. So going to get something to eat. And then I'll book the Turkish bath. And then we'll go to the beach. So I'll bring it along. Last night we literally fell asleep dead early. So there was nothing to vlog. Not that you can tell, you can't even see us, but we're in the sauna and it's fucking new stuff.
Wow.
So we've just been in the sauna and I think I lasted about 3 minutes because it was like 75 degrees. We're just in like this little spa place and they give us a little water, so we're just going to chill and wait.